everybody. Well, Easter is around the corner and we have some educational fun activities to share with you. But before that, what is Easter? Why do we celebrate Easter? What is the relation between eggs, bunny and Easter? Well, Easter is celebrated on the first Sunday after the first full moon. It's the date or time when the day and night are of equal length. Easter is an important Christian festival and is celebrated with joy by all. This festival is focused on the fertility, and hence rabbits and eggs are used as symbols. Well, let's have a look at some activities that we did for Easter. Activity 1 is coloring by sight words. Take a printout or make these eggs yourself. Sight words are words that you see so often that instead of sounding them out, they are memorized. Let children simply have fun coloring. They won't even know they are learning something important along the way. The next activity is odd even Easter eggs. So here are 2 Easter egg baskets and kids need to place the eggs, or you can say dot stickers, in their respective baskets. Let's have a look. Children learn best when they have fun. This applies to math as much as any other subject. Now, understanding odd and even can't be explained in one shot. Children need practice in identifying odd and even numbers and sorting them in groups. A quick tip: even numbers can be taught as skip counting starting with 0, while odd numbers are the ones in between. Let's learn to cut using scissors with these cute bunny sheets. It might look easy, but teaching children to use scissors is a very complex task. So well, let's make it fun for little ones. Have a look. Learning how to use scissors plays an important role in fine motor development.